Hi, next video is a little bit about metrics. We're going to learn more about metrics in the next couple of weeks, but for now we want to do just a few formulas to help you with your vital signs. So we measure patients in grams, which are like pounds. We measure them in kilograms and we convert it to pounds, or pounds back to kilograms again. So it's a measurement of weight. Centimeters are a measurement of length, like feet and inches. Like the length of the baby when it's born, or the circumference of its head, are measured in centimeters or inches, and we might want to convert them. The length of a wound is measured in centimeters or inches as well. So to convert centimeters to inches, you want to remember 2.54, because there's 2.54 centimeters in every inch. So we multiply the number of inches by 2.54. So we have a baby that was 17 inches long when it was born, and we multiply the 17 times 2.54, and the answer to that is 43.18 centimeters. We have another patient that has a head wound that's 2 inches long. We want to know how many centimeters that is. So 2 times 2.5, 2 inches, times 2.54, and the answer is 5.08 centimeters. So now we might want to convert the other way, from centimeters to inches. We measured the patient in centimeters, and now we want to report it in inches. The number is still 2.54 in every inch, so that's the number we're going to use, 2.54, but instead of multiplying, we divide. So we have a baby that is 40 centimeters long at birth, and we want to convert that to inches. So 40 centimeters divided by 2.54 is 15.74 inches. Well, 0.74 of an inch isn't really something we would see on a ruler, but you can recognize that 0.75 is right near 75, which would be 3/4 of an inch. So the baby's 15 3/4 inches. Second problem is we have a patient with a head wound that's 5 centimeters long. And how many inches? So it's actually 5.08 centimeters long that we're going to divide by the 2.54, and the answer to that is 2 inches. This is the same patient and the same head wound as from the other page. All right, let's go on to convert kilograms to pounds. So we're talking about weight now, and the factor when you're talking about weight is 2.2. So 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. So to convert kilograms to pounds, you're going to multiply the number of kilograms by 2.2. So we have a toddler that weighs 11 kilograms, and we want to know what their weight is in pounds. So 11 times 2.2, the answer is equal to 24.2 pounds. To go from pounds to kilograms, just like before, we still have the 2.2 pounds. 1 kilogram is still equal to 2.2 pounds. So to convert from pounds to kilograms, we're going to divide the number of pounds by 2.2. So we have a 6th grader who weighs 65 pounds, and we're going to divide the 65 pounds by 2.2. And the answer is 29.5, or 29.5, but we'll go to 29.5 pounds. So I will post a little Google form link to this for you to try out a couple of these problems, and I'll post a due date for it, but take a few minutes to look at the video, and you want to remember those numbers. So we're just going to go back really quickly to convert from inches to centimeters. Anything to do with inches and centimeters, the factor that you're concerned about is 2.54. So you multiply when you're going from inches to centimeters, still 2.54, but you divide when you're going from centimeters to inches. The factor for kilograms and pounds is 2.2. You multiply when you're going from kilograms to pounds, and then 2.2, you divide when you're going from pounds to kilograms. So remember those numbers, try to remember the multiplying and the dividing, and try out the problems, and have a good weekend.